In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a viral 3D figurine character using Gemini AI, featuring the Nano banana theme. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Once there, type in Google Gemini to find a direct link to the Gemini AI platform. Remember, using the right keywords can save you a lot of time and lead directly to what you're looking for. From the search results, select the official Google Gemini website. This is important because you want to ensure you're accessing the correct and official platform, which is secure and up-to-date. Once you're on the Gemini AI page, look for the plus sign button. This button allows you to upload your image, which is the initial step in creating your figurine. Assume you have an image that you want to transform. If not, take a moment now to find or create a simple design that you can work with. Remember, the quality of this image can affect the outcome of your 3D model, so choose wisely. Next, we'll move on to typing a specific prompt. This step is crucial as it guides Gemini AI on how to process the input image. Unfortunately, I can't share this exact prompt here, but ensure that your prompt is clear and specific to get the best results from the AI's algorithms. After entering your prompt, you should see a Tools button. Click on it, as it opens up additional features and settings. These tools allow you to enhance or adjust your image, providing a level of customization and precision in your work. Following this, look for the Create Images option. This step tells the platform to begin generating your 3D model, transforming the flat image into something with depth and presence. Now, click on the Submit button. This finalizes your inputs and sends them for processing. Giving the platform a moment to work its magic is always a good approach. Typically, the processing time will depend on the complexity of your image and the current server load. Congratulations! You've now successfully created a 3D model that could become the next viral trend. With tools like Gemini AI, the boundary between imagination and reality grows even thinner, empowering creators to bring their artistic visions to life. I hope this guide simplifies your process and inspires you to explore more digital creations. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more exciting tutorials.